Hi everyone, my name is Rajnish Kumar. It's been almost like 6 years that I've been working with Asort now. I'm working here as an assistant general manager, learning and development. If I'm going to talk about my current interests and hobbies, perfume collection is one thing that I've started. There are multiple collection of perfumes that I have nowadays. This is one thing that I'm loving the most. My father used to wear one particular cologne. I think that was when I got introduced to scent. It actually connected me to that particular scent. If I talk about my favorite picks from Mr. Huffman collection, Sea Breeze is one, Dusk is another. So I think these two are my favorites one, but I have got other collections as well. Mr. Huffman perfume collection has got all sort of perfume that you can think of. It defines you, right? Because you talk about fruitiness, freshness, particular kind of scent that, make you feel nostalgic. It has everything. It talks about your presence wherever you go, with whosoever you are meeting. People should know from the fragrance that, oh, okay, Rajnish is here. All right, thank you so much, everyone. And please do not forget to comment below. And please do let me know what is your favorite perfume from Mr.